My name is Zach. Join me in this video as I show you how to capture amazing winter landscapes and wildlife. I'll walk you through some of the gear I use, how I use it, and some of the best techniques for spotting and photographing wildlife in their natural habitat. Wildlife filmmaking and photography is all about the time of day and also the weather. So when there's a storm or a big change in weather, a lot of times the animals are moving around and you're more likely to see an animal. So right now we're at Dyke, Marsh here in Virginia. We just got 10 inches of snow today here, and going out just try and see if we can find something. I'm not really looking for anything in particular. It'd be really cool to see a fox or an owl or a bald eagle, but there's something nice about just coming out here and just being in this quiet, serene meadows. Oh, I see something. Looks like a pretty big bird. All right, I'm gonna actually try and set up this tripod now. Can't forget the lens cap. We'd always put it in your pocket on the left side. It looks like a baby hawk. Oh, he's gone. All right, so I want to tell you a little bit about the camera I'm using. This is a Sony A1, and then the lens is a 200 to 600, and it's a Sony as well. This camera, the A1, is a straight beast, and it also has a crop, Super 35 crop. So I've been using a combination of that today in this video. So right now we're on the Potomac River. This is where I grew up, and there's bald eagles everywhere. So we found a bald eagle. It's all the way out there on that island, perched on a tree. It's on the very top of this tree. We're gonna try and get a little closer look, but I wanted to get this kind of wide establishing shot first. And then I'll start punching in later. I'm gonna move a little more. See if we can get another angle. Oh no, the eagle's gone. Well, that's kind of the challenge of nature photography. It's you never know what's gonna happen. Right now, I'm literally 20 feet away from a red-shouldered hawk. It's perched up on this tree right above me. Right there. It's really cool. And it's an amazing shot. It's beautiful. It's actually one of my most favorite bird shots so far. This is amazing. You can tell by it's like dots on its back that it's a hawk. Alright, that was sweet. Alright, so we're out here at beautiful Huntley Meadows Park. We just got another light dusting of snow here. It's about dawn right now, and we're gonna go out and try and find some more wildlife and get some more scenes. Let's go. All right, I like that composition right there. I'm gonna hold this for about like 20 seconds, 30 seconds, see what happens. So with video, you definitely wanna focus on the moments. You get your composition, you get your exposure, but also wait for the moments, especially with wildlife. You just never really know. And out here in nature, things just happen. There's a couple different things with nature filmmaking, and so a lot of it is luck, but a lot of it is also knowing your surroundings and what's happening with the animal life and just just the environment and nature itself. A lot of times when I'm on these little adventures, I'm kind of listening to see if I can hear certain birds and which direction they're coming from, or like where they are perched on certain trees. A lot of times they like to stay really high and away from people and their surroundings. So trying to point out certain trees that might be where they would consider home. This camera just ran out of batteries, so I have this pouch here. It's called Phoozy. I keep all my charged batteries in here, and it's actually space technology, and you put your batteries in here and it keeps them really warm when it's cold out, because cold weather kills batteries. Right now we are capturing sunrise. The sun's kind of coming up through this little small space between these clouds. It actually looks really cool. It's beautiful to be out here. There's really no one out here, and it's just nice and calm and quiet. Another thing I want to talk about is this tripod. This is a Miller DS10 solo tripod. It's a fluid head tripod. It's super light too, so it moves really well and has really smooth panning and tilting with the camera. I mean, I've had this tripod for like 15 years. It's like one of my favorite tripods ever. Having a good setup is crucial. For the majority of work that I do, just in my backyard and kind of on trips like this, I use this camera with this lens and tripod. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please smash that subscribe button, like, and comment below.